people like Governor Eziokwu, oh, problem I know when I need today. You see people like Governor Eziokwu, they are the problem. That way for her name and how is boom mad, na had the you know nazo. Most of them have sex skeleton in their cupboard. Someone shared his life to me yesterday, and I took my time to, you know, watch I But one of the things, a lot of things caught my attention, but the major thing caught my attention, about Evangelist Ebukobi. He might not call his name, but I am on Agua. Let me play this video to you for you guys to listen.
Right now, do you know what they are doing? They are trying to puff up shoulder. I can tell you, do you know what they are doing right now? Do you know what they are doing? They are trying to puff up shoulder. I can tell you one person who stood with microphone and said that people, many of those people you see commenting, please, indeed, but they are not there because they want to stand for what is right. They are there because they are speaking from their ministry. This is the gospel truth. And Ogechi she's one of those people. They feed from that table.
Just listen.
Please, right as of today, the same man who said that he knows nothing about Ogechi, does not know anything Ogechi does, and they always defend that he's too busy in the mountain and all that. He's busy fighting for cause, putting means on how to free Ogechi. I'm telling you, there are things I can't say online because right now I realize that if I do like this, it goes viral. So because of my mistake yesterday, please forgive me.
You go beg.
Me and this person.
You go beg, tire.
Leave me and this lady. Let me mechanize her. The nude pictures of women she showed on social media.
We are coming to that. I guess you guys grab the statement to make it there. That no way somebody will go on Oji Mikey phone or say no any claim no on social, they active on social media, no on a mountain. But now the person they marry call on how to free Ogechi. I don't know if some of you guys understand this voice. Wait, let me play it again before I can proceed to other things. Just listen. Imana, all man no mercy go up. He's not trying to manipulate the minds of Ndi Igbo, Ndi IPOB in general. Instead of him to own his I'm trying to watch my words on this Facebook. Instead of him to own his wrong statement or make it out there in public. And that man, surely Ndi Obodo is not happy with him. And I believe him na ofi we go the heat. Owe potana iho na emene ihe na damage control. But he geji afu na daft person ko the more na eme ko make the damage control, the more ko na make more mistakes. You know, let me play this voice again so that you guys will hear it once again before I can proceed.
Do you know what they are doing right now? Do you know what they are doing? They are trying to puff up shoulder. I can tell you one person who stood with microphone and said that people, many of those people you see commenting, please, indeed, but they are not there because they want to stand for what is right. They are there because they are speaking from their ministry. This is the gospel truth. And Ogechi she's one of those people. They feed from that table.
Just listen. Listen.
Please, right as of today, The same man who said that he knows nothing about Ogechi, does not know anything Ogechi does, and they always defend that he's too busy in the mountain and all that. He's busy sorting for calls, putting means on how to free Ogechi. I'm telling you, there are things I can't say online because right now I realize that if I do like this, it goes viral.
If they bore you well, say it.
So because of my mistake yesterday, please forgive me and leave me and this person. Leave me and this lady. Let me mechanize her. The nude pictures of women she showed on social media.
Let me stop it here. He gave a man at this guy. Boajo Madi. Alma Foti as a manipulator. Now, switch go about nude. Ijuze Governor Eziokwu, if at all no nwe nude ndị Ogechi posturu oge nwakwa, o posturu nke nwunye Governor Eziokwu. Ke business onwe gbasaru. Because I believe that ihe gbasara nude a ha na-ekwu bụ na Ogechi na-eme matchmaking. Oh, I want to make matchmaking, makasi made that in asage kurota, asage noran, asage menka. Maybe he's doing all those things in a funny way. You know, I believe that is what he's talking about. But even though no we can do cigar or no do munye Governor Eziokwu ke post on social media. Now, if you go back to that life, because on a plea dizzy, ndi Igbo, to forgive him na that statement to make. No boho the guy lied. It's just that I don't have the time to be playing his long statement on that life. This guy lied. No way who go on Oji. We say na Ogechi they raised in the IPOB fund. They made the IPOB fundraising. Nioku Noji account ya. Where receive wego kuchie. Thank God for social media. Second thing again that caught my attention is that Governor Eziokwu lied that no matter camera no yanihu. Let me play this video for you to see. You watch that their video arrest ya. Watch your video now.
I'm not running. I need to talk to my. I need to talk to my. Why would I run? I need to talk to my. Let me talk to my. Let me use my phone. Where is it? I need to use my now. Guys, I'm going to that problem.
Now watch you here. Watch you singing on 4 camera. Don't worry, let me go back. If you take a close at this video, Igafona even speak Governor Eziokwu na camera na reflect. And they watch ihu ya, Igamano the guy ji camera ko face when they kuya ho neku. I don't know why he's lying. If you watch that video, only know into film, like I want know into film in production, my hand or camera angle, like ebe camera siabia. Unyo ona jiri camera na video, imagebe that camera siabia. But I will still post a video. I will also post some of the pictures. Iga for direct that Governor Eziokwu or Governor Okwase is speaking direct to the camera. All man no way in a video ni anya straight up. And the main reason we make that statement is that all man no ihe wokuya. Those vigilante group happen we bia a pick interest to ginger push Ogechi, you know, Iwo chose who make that statement. Kahabiaze, oh yeah, buy moto, buy J-Pack, na baze, na majasi everywhere. Or immediately who make that statement. Onya and erase in the iPod bego. You know? Nka had enough. Or say that this woman will go a lot of people na southeast. Okay, let's just say na erase ego bokwa a slip of tongue. How about that? Now this woman will get a lot of people na southeast. He didn't end there. He further stated that no way evidence of it. Man they buy cake and they buy. Why any brain on the quiz you? Up on live video na yo okoroba da osi no Ogechi send the nude osi no Ogechi menka osi no Ogechi menka since you for na plan ha gasa and the no mess go up. Onacho no isi cover up. Yom is now drag evangelist Kobe. The same governor Eziokwu putano last time. Si ay na amam kosi no siwe na no conversation Father Mbaka na evangelist Kobe. The same him last time. Amam kuse potasi no na no call one reverend father awekpo one reverend awekpo onya asia na dama asia na nka. I don't care. Mexico blog. Ogechi ogburu onye nke gị. Si Ogechi gburu ọtụtụ mmadụ. Ogburu mpagi ka ogburu mmagi. You see, for me, whatever Ogechi did in the past is not my business. If you don't say no anything in the past, it's none of my business. The only thing I'm interested on is this present thing. On a sagas we bido because oga ho J-Pack na governor Eziokwu na oga ho hana akuza na fall be out. How ma hono we Ogechi made in the past? Mexico blog. Oga ho ma J-Pack you ma governor ma hanchanine na rapport. Oga ha akuzayon kada emenite ha na egburu ha azu na eduari ha. None of them remembered no Ogechi send the nude. Right? Because some of you amam kunsi eche. None of them onye chete no Ogechi send the nude or no Ogechi merenka no Ogechi gburu nka Ogechi boro oketa. Like I said, many of you are mahodi maintain nagan. Many of you are mahodi hanako. Una mahonde ha kolukocha TC everywhere. Now you're for petition. Now you're for everything. Because hamana all this their nonsense saga. Hajiwe jebura arrest here. Who do anything? As far as I'm concerned, all J-Pack na governor Meru. Ogechi arrest. Forget one kind of signal Osi Fedra, Esinanka, on the Hakulu Cortina the case. Kini na name yesterday, somebody called me from their own camp. You know? And he said many things. They are the main architect of this whole arrest. Forget Yana say power si above federal this one, federal that one. Okay, power si above webia. Governor Eziokwu no na muti and it. Yes, greatest. Come on, I just told you. Let's say na power si above webia. Obo hanwa media direct. We name let's celebrate. Onye umadoru deri nwa mama. You know? All I manipulate some of you, they can manipulate somebody like me. And couple with the fact that na oni heni ina asiaga. Ona kwa ka ona eru aya aka. Ona kwa ka ina folia. It's just that no bu he ine ka yeku. Governor Eziokwu is a great liar. And somebody like him, the problem I know when I need na J-Park. Okay, kita kunu chetene. What of all? Wait, you una feeling na some of you come we maru activity Ogechi on social media. Unu wana si no Ogechi jime nke ni ome honka o send ya una na che kodenem unu come we maru ka activities Ogechi siwe bido on social media. I started social media, this Facebook precisely 2009. Oge bido Facebook. Ebido Facebook ka tuna amam ko unyo ona siwe kwado. Amam ko unyo ona siwe bido. If you want to talk about the SND nude, there are a lot of ladies hana about them. It's just that I don't interested in about starting home wine or whatever hana me dead. In a lot of ladies hana same Ogechi na about them. Hana send the things about her. Yamane send the things about them. Why is Governor Eziokwu or those of you now saying that okay, up by a lot of people, opus a lot of people? Why are they bringing it now? Why you bro now have the abacha saga? I see J-Park will take a check eba kukuni na suebido. Why then? Uga hana loko ne exchange na back off more of my. Na make up business. Why J na Governor Eziokwu I cheto Ogechi no wendi ne tufu no doso ha. Or no ne wanted on this one or this one eme ho. You know? Keta se ko na aseze na cover up. Ejidie bo ma ihe o na-emezi ije ọsọ oku ya aka ibu why not kpọkọ evangelist Ebuka Obiafa kpọrọ ya n'isi na ọ na-eme call ka efirie Ogechi gị na-atụ ya ụjọ ọka ịkpọ ya afa si na onye asị na ọ dịghị anọ na social media ọ dịghị eme nke ọ dị if they born in papa well ya mee ọnụ kpọọ ya afa. You know? If you go back to that video again, kone claim na mahon eji camera, oh no manage camera, okay, make statement, make you ihe basari ihe ndị iPod then, DOS then, oh hamaka asi we me ya then. Of which na at some point ezigbo cantamotion no na between the group, onye ona kewasi anwe group nke. So whatever Ogechi said or did them with her own group, abrohi ye butekita. And the kedoge ojebro Nigerian police na a treaty matabasaro IPOB. If at all na oge wekosi on the police on the ihe abihege I settle the matter. You know? I want to chonde one day ihena. Oh my boy je for hana. Oh my ihe oh my plan. It's just that na plan how work was. Oh ya mere ha hana ezuzu like this. And he knows that the only statement Oga drop onwe wait. If you can't make Eru Abuja menka, Eruku Abuja onweku ihe ha ejete. Manoma, no that statement you koye moku ya ege ya ntị, especially Indianos nogasino office, Indiano uniform, mana ndị ihe ya ndị ụmụ ihe some group just so na agbasa everywhere na buy. I'm trying to watch my words. You know? Oma no mention Hana Onya a part of this people. A pick a very interest on her. That's why you make that statement. Or that's not a slip of tongue, no mistake. On the other way, in a person in the iPod na habo no how an ebu mad. You are trying to confirm no how the what are that calling it now? In charge of hearing name na buy. Why could you make that statement? On a raise, on a mere fundraising. Added that no go many people na buy. That means not their own raise the fundraising, but he bunde mad na buy. Igbo Channels TV, no press that matter. Ejo, leave that matter. That one after. Ka I saw to go do things. After. Ka I get side then ka. He knows that no mention Hana. I otagi Hanu Gechi Ipo Bebendi Uojino. That get pick very interesting. And that is exactly what happened. Go and watch the video. Unya made this thing. Unya go to mad in the southeast. Age evidence. What is it? The evidence, Age? In Ayosibiku. You go explain. If you govern Eziokwu, a bit of a more explanation. Okay, make it explain. Or like, okay, make it explain where. All these people will problem. I win a southeast. If somebody like this can come out and make this statement in public, can you think making us? Obu no need do na get making such statement, or let's just say like he said no mistake or whatever. If you can be bold enough, kire your fellow able person like this, miru ndi ha. Kezi ho geku nazo. All people like this you na ni ba de homma. All people like this you na so many innocent people. E delete sigo ha. Gina made nwe obere okwu na-eriju ha afọ. E chọ ihe ga-atag ya n'isi ka ewopia. Oh yeah, problem anyị na-enwe na Igbo today. Manopota ona amachari ifiri enu nwe ihe no ya n'ime ifiri na ndị awu ndị ngọgbala Chineke zokwala unu ọbahọ na oche na ọ na-azọrọ unu local government chairman na beginning dị ka ọ na-azọrọ unu ọsọzi unu ọpụtakwa ọzọ unu eji etoeri akwụkwọ oge finish unu pata. I don't know the reason some people cannot regard that governor Eziokwu as ezigbo mmadụ as unye like the good for the society. All the same governor Eziokwu wuru phone boy Ijuwa 3 days ago. Nechi Ijuwa warning Ijuwa should never put his picture or mention his name on his page. May I try kwani again in his life. That means obazie no fees. Onwe ka o si mehe garo na unu nwawo ndị ngọkpa local government. Una hia sa enwe onu si ya imete ekwe nka oke ka nka asiga. Oloku unu ncha niile ozugbo na tucheki. So he should own his statement. You see that statement to make it, yeah, oh no, yeah, no, nothing like the more he's trying to give excuses or the more he's trying to do the damage control, the more he look more stupid. Because he's critically killing, everything is there. You said you wasn't aware that the camera is there. Meanwhile, you are looking towards the camera, you are watching the guy direct. This woman is ego. Eyeglass again, the camera now reflect from eyeglass. Don't worry, I have a lot of videos here. I will post the video after this live video. Just watch this video. Always taking off her camera. In her camera and eyeglass here. Okpurisi. Just calm down and watch your video. If this man is full of lies. Now watch it. Now watch the video. If you have here, when you say on 4 camera, you have 1.5 here. 1.5 here. Who is still looking at? Why making those statements? 1.5 years on 4 camera. So you guys are not seeing his eyes. Near glass, your phone won't reflect. That phone may reflect there. All the same person now on the iPod, when they make a statement, and I become no man a camera no there no guy such thing. Or when you see a kujo a loni but 1 year, when you see menka, when you see menka. All man cannot cast go. Okay, that means without camera, he make a such statement. Ogechi Njaka, because unu saga a few weeks ago. Unu wana si ano stripper no ya nwaburu mpia. Omu ya wore mbe. Okporu mpia police ya wana fire kunu back. Okpogi escon, okpo bele face uje park. Onye okpontu. Oguse ya biwu unu na nke ikpeazu a. Simply because no na akuza yon follow out of favor. Unchoka na enyu 2 million abi 3 million. Akwekwochiri una follow out of favor. Je park amaba baku kizia famanya hane eme. Na choka ajiri ya butuo business ako. Una na through tantrums to Zion ministry, Zion members back to back. Ogechi Wesemba. You guys should stop. Ununi ebruzie di saga. Una fuzie no defeat we good. Una echetezie no ne post to bu nude. Una echetezie no na dey go the iPod or whatever. Una echetezie some certain things. Onwe ani idiot to sinafia or boss lady ne delum nonsense messages na edo a picture oge na zone 5 abi zone 30 na no they wanted and I call me here na bakamoto. I got all derum that all saying derum that nonsense again. Thunder a fire. I don't care about whatever you guys see no game before, whatever. It's not my business. All mputago also go mputa today see no ge wanene. See no ge uderi. I must still speak on behalf of her. Because this recent issue, we know how it started. If unke recent here, I am a kusibido. Unke mero genwa 5 years ago, 4 years ago, 10 years ago. It's not my business. And you guys cannot use it to nail her now. You know? Oya ona anibu na bahara today. Because unye chori ku Eziokwu. Nobody want to say the truth anymore. Watch onye tora ase na video ya say na ofu camera, o na camera no there, no na camera no there. He can make such statement. Now watch na ani ya. Akuna afu, we see no that for camera. Ira have camera can reflect na eyeglass ya. Ina kora abuki. Now watching. Oh yeah, turn uko again. Osino for camera. Una have ya na anya. Ukudisi. I just made video editing in details. Now watching here. Osino for camera. Oh no, my camera no there. You make such statement. You see? Oh, full statement you make. Koji kwaroge, koji like kwaroge, kwaina sobu. Ko make nisi evangelist Ebuka Obina indirectly. The evangelist Ebuka Obina make call since ka Kahapoge. If I'm not mistaken, yesterday was Sunday program. The ministry hold the program. On a program or program call on made the call. For those of you not join now.
They are doing. They are trying to puff up shoulder. Do you know what they are doing right now? Do you know what they are doing? They are trying to puff up shoulder. I can tell you one person who stood with microphone and said that people, many of those people you see commenting, please, Ndibo, they are not there because they want to stand for what is right. They are there because they are speaking from their ministry. This is the gospel truth. And Ogechi she's one of those people. They feed from that table.
Akoko. You watch Ogechi Njaka.
Right, as of today, the same man who said that he knows nothing about Ogechi, does not know anything Ogechi does, and they always defend that he's too busy in the mountain and all that. He's busy sorting for calls, putting means on how to free Ogechi. I'm telling you, there are things I can't say online because I realize that if I do like this, it goes viral.
Say it. Say it.
So because of my mistake yesterday, please forgive me and leave me and this person. Leave me and this lady. Let me mechanize her. The nude pictures of women she showed on social media. On social media and Dibo. Did you see me share that video? I have conscience. Do you know what they are doing right now?
Nobody should allow all this emotional blackmail to get over them. Any of you chore piawayazu. That is just the thing. This is the only way a lot of people will learn. Aboho onye je mekai ko be odi emotional blackmail so unu ncha una akopolia. You know? This emotional blackmail for me can never work. Nobody should allow this nonsense on our call here to work. Oh my home, you just wanna marry like this, you just the heat now pile it up to him. You could imagine yesterday was Sunday. Obono here na ministry hold her program on Sunday. As okay, no way they call Eziokwu, but yesterday was Sunday. Evangelist Buka on a program. Ke berima se no na-eme call no assault ke wopụta oge. You the mean na call divert ya attention mande iPobu mande ndị nke si na Jesus Christ egbugo ha mande, you know, I'd like confusion. A life of a manipulator. I hate these people they live. If you JPAC and you guys should know that now. If you Governor Eziokwu name or they put out there, or let's say opinion, yana JPAC and we are together. Take it or leave it. Phone ejuwe video ebe oge abia made the arrest. Oh boy JPAC video the thing. Oh boy JPAC video there. The phone is JPAC's phone. Happy hana ashe soon a lot of bloggers be there. A lot of bloggers be there. Habiari fu president kona habiari fu ifu Buhari. Who invited them? No bro hama Ogechi Njaka up on a camera. Amako si me I wait her phone. They knew what they did. Someone like me, I'm too intelligent in terms of all this social media matter. It's just that Moona Macho he whooped my time. Tianya like whooped everything. make all on your name. These people are the major problem I ain't when I need. Or people like this. Phone AG made the recording all phone because if you watch all he book on a video, can me check the video, all he book on a so JPA Canabra moto if you even video and let me play this video again. It is not look as safe. I'm capping.
But because I never knew if
Let me play the video of this arrest. Now watch the camera is so good.
I need to talk to my. Why would I run?
The camera is so good. Now watch it.
Let me talk to my. Let me use my phone. Where is it? I need to use my phone. Guy, man, what the guy, Baba? I need to go no, yeah. Let's go this way. How do you have evidence? This person. Now what come and you say my friend? Can't move people, let's go.
Now watch your camera nation. Watch one on the camera nation. But watch your camera by Kawagafu. I couldn't post to your sharp. Cable camera number. Don't worry, let me fast forward it. Iganu post to your sharp. Then he watch his only camera called by J Park in a moto. Man has a on the bloggers. Bia. We bia video ya. Bloggers bia press conference. Habia the cover presidential speeches. Habia how do I even put it? Una korabuki. Watch this video from here. Let me go back. Kenu post with this thing now. Share this video. Help me share this live. Share this live. Because actually, all these people on Ayo on a plead should also see this video, man, on Asiase. If you didn't know on Ayo, no mistake, ndi bo biko, happen ya me, no, when oko goji choko doku nkaji we or makwana camera, no, even now, foul. Oya line usumba. Governor Eziokwu line, in fact, change enough here to Linus Mba. Watch from here. Get until you know okay, I say post to video now. Then ONS a camera abide J Park in a moto. Then I post to a sharp. You watch the camera guy yaba or moto J Park.
Supposed to direct.
Then watch you say.
Because I never knew if I had known that cameras was on me, I would have completed the
Watch onye na ayo no maho na camera no there no wo no ma o ya complete statement ya ka ifu onye a Linus Mba o ihu nga na akpu ya today no wo no ma ni ho choro ikwu na Ogechi forged account ji nara ego we rie no wo no ma na camera no there o gaghị make statement no na o meru ndị iPod fundraise o gaghị make the statement na na this woman egbugo many people na southeast o gaghị make the statement na no evidence ọ na-akọrọ abụki Chineke bi ihe rapụtara ya watch this video isi unu of camera.
But because I never knew if I had known that cameras was on me, I would have completed the statement without
Ne camera ka ọ nọ ya n'anya na afia na glass ya.
Let me play this video again. Supposed to direct. But because I never knew if I had known that cameras was on me, I would have completed the statement without shaking. Let me play this video again.
Now watch.
Supposed to direct. But because I never knew, if I had
Why is he
known
going
the
for
cameras
camera?
was on me, I would have completed the statement without
Me camera
shaking.
nanya. And I have your eyeglass here. He was talking to the camera direct. On our office camera, we na pointing. On the camera, we na. People who know into filming, got what he had now. We had a camera angle. People like Igbo channels. You should know better. Or DOP KO. People like Igbo channels should know what I meant by camera angle. Who know on any na camera? If video only what imagine the camera angle siabia. It's critically clear here. But he was lying. Let me play it once again.
Supposed to direct. But because I never knew, if I had known that cameras was on me, I would have completed the statement without shaking. Let me play this video again.
No, eyeglass here. Be looking at his
But
page.
because I never knew, if I had known that cameras was on me, I would have
On the
completed
na
the
camera na
statement
point yaka somewhere.
without shaking.
You see, he's still looking at the camera.
Let me play this video again. Supposed to direct.
Just be watching the
But
video.
because I never knew, if I had known that cameras was on me, I would have completed the statement without shaking. Let me play this video again. Supposed to direct.
These people are the major problem I know when I need. Only some certain things in Choriku, but I'm na nkwu na oga add salt to the injury. Hey, you go je kuluko a lot of people okay they petition. Me a lot of people who claim na high white. Let me just put it that way. A lot of people na white na me equal ya kita ndi otu ha ebewa akwa. Sege gini. You know? I made a video yesterday. Imana nka o ya na ndi iPod na ndi Igbo ka ọ ka na ayo biko. Na ha gbara no oji mee mistake oji na oya mamazi ihe na eme explain, but I made a video yesterday directing it to Dr. Ogechi Njaka bu the husband to Ogechi Njaka. That statement a military personnel ke a doctor in profession care here in America, you know the implication for someone to come out in public stating with full confidence that your wife now support a particular group, that now your wife go many people na southeast, no go many people na south, no clear evidence to Dr. Ogechi Njaka. Obo nega happen with that statement, then I don't know. It's a heavy and I don't even know what I used to qualify it. Ebo Ogechi Njaka. Now, what they are telling me, a lot of people, Ogechi did this, Ogechi did that, opposed to Nka, opposed. That is not my business. After all, Ogechi post nudugi. Ke hi jegi de we niya nudugi. Gini ki jegi de we wuru nudugi niya we post to. It's none of my business. And don't you Ogechi post nudos ya onya hu je me ya arrest. Onya je ka ya ni akwu ya not berima. If you know we Ogechi mege mbo, Mozo police station, go there. Adebu madna police. If you want to sue her or whatever, go there. You make your entry. Onya megi he diuna. Ono na Nigeria na. Gena hakwea and not governor. iji ya na cause confusion. Open a post to noodles ndị ụmụ nwaanyị Igbo nke nwunye gị ọnọdụ o posturu nke nwunye gị gọvanọ Eziokwu onwe ihe ọzọ na-afụ ya na Beleface jee park ọfụ ma ọ this last saga ọ pịawa ha azụ onwezi ihe ọzọ na-afụ ha ọfụ from masị onye nke na Igbo tike ka echekie iwe tipia asị na nwunye ya na-arụba ọrụ akwampe picture na video jukwere everywhere as an evidence ka ihe ọ na-eweru gị iwe gịnị ka ọ na-eweru gị iwe ọgwụsịa oli angle onwe a na-ekoluko akpọ ndị be Ifeanyị Ọba asị denu petition ka ewete denu petition akpọ ndị nka asị denu petition anyị emeghị arrest this and that one unche na from that una camp na adị m enweta update ufinye na camp una ahụ na ana m enweta update kịta gị nwawo gọvanọ Eziokwu is claiming no gị nwa mere arrest JPAC is claiming no see from federal. Iji gosi na two of you dey confused. You na claim no federal ka osi. Give one claim no give one me. Meanwhile, two of you are the one jubilating. Yes, come on, I said it, capture that life. You know? Again, why would JPAC orders from federal? Man, again, assault on the police. Again, korogo na station. Again, mobilization fee. Orders federal police. You don't need to give police sheshe. You know, na the system. Obu na orders from above federal. You guys will not pay the police anything. Mano onu wana assault, onu wana aku ego gukwo. Ebia nakoro waja ego oji. Jesus. These people were problem. I trust some Nigeria police that hage rigide go ube ga ifiri iji bia station iga akwugide ugwu fi himere onwe gi. You know? Others from federal ekwugide ugwu bi na waja ego oji. Ndị you guys are going forward. Ndị oji ego oji eme arrest. Ndị oji ego oji eme arrest. You know. Ikwugide ụgwọ bịanara waja anasị waja mutuo kamera mutuo video waja anasị emutugo mia meanwhile you see that waja kwesịrị ewere 2x2 pịa ya. That video na-atọ m amụ ma nwunye jepa na-asị waja mutuo dị kamera waja na-eme ego o tichasia waja ka o je setụrụ ndị police mana ọ dasị from above mana ọ gịba na-akwụ ụgwọ ị na-emegharị kọrọ na-amaja na-ejinja na-epushu ka eju Abuja o nwere some certain things na-achọghị ikwu na life a. You know? It's not making any sense. What am I trying to say? Justice for waja egoji. This was Obiarant na troublemaker. It's like, oh, we actually join him. In case you want to join me, you can send me a request. Oh, we actually joined him before, but I couldn't accept that request then. Oh, we actually join him. But if you, in case you want to join me, send me a request. I'll be rounding up. So what am I trying to say? For those of you na been on my inbox, na-edere m na Ogechi Njaka, Ogechi Njaka, ịmara onye oge bụ, ị ga support ya, ịmara onye oge bụ, I don't care. Some say, Osina, ihe o kwuru about Ifeanyi Uba adịghị mma. Ihe o kwuru about Ifeanyi Uba adịghị mma. Nke JPAC kwuru about mpa ya nwa bụ Oge, ọ dị mma. Biho na mmadụ si na ọgụnwa gburu mpa gị, si na ọgụnwa kpọrọ mpa gị polisi, si na esi na mpa gị dị n'egi. Oh, one. Mpoga anoho to kill himself. Ifeanyi Uba anoho to kill himself. Onye ona nabia. That is it. Simple. Tihu na-eweru hiwe. Unu chief saga ka JPAC ewu. Ofuzie saga gbaba ọsọ. So for those of you na-edenu Ogechi Njaka, I don't care. I don't care. One-ekwu ọtụ, one-ekwu amụ, one-ekwu ikpu nne gị, I don't fucking care. Ọtụ now part of the body. Ọtụ, amụ, ikpu, all part of the body. That is just it. That is just it. I don't fucking care. Ụfọdụ ụmụ nwanyị ajadu a ya na ha na-awabu oge mbụ kpọpụtasị from nowhere. Ma nke si na ọ boss lady, ma nke si na ọ mirabem, all of them just kpọpụta isi ụmụ nwanyị ajadu a na-go n'iyi isi everywhere kpọpụtasị na nke ikpeazụ a. O mere ha nke a, o mere ha nke unu meru ha, nke unu mere ya. Nke unu mere ya. Bleacher, I'm trying to bring you, but the thing is not connecting. Maybe you go out from the live and come back.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe on this channel, share this video, like, comment, drop your thoughts on the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video. Please drop your thoughts. Stay connected on this channel because we are always dropping latest updates here. All latest updates, trending videos, interesting videos that you will like, I will be dropping it on this channel. Also follow our second channel. Thank you. God bless you.